Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Can-Am SPYDER RT Limited SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Can-Am SPYDER RT Limited SE6 with 12,266 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips and seats, an electronic suspension, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with aftermarket handlebars, floorboards with LED trim, passenger armrests, and carbon fiber tank trim. We have installed a new rear tire. Powered by a 1330cc 3-cylinder engine with a 6-speed transmission, the SPYDER produces 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque. With a 6.9-gallon fuel tank, the SPYDER has a 200 to 230-mile fuel range. It has a 30.4-inch seat height and a dry weight of 1,012 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts. Both front tires are at 6/30 seconds and the rear is new. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This trike has a toolkit and one key. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.